Hey everyone, if your Brave browser extensions are not working, not loading, or keep turning off by themselves, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get your extensions working again in just a few minutes. First, completely close Brave and reopen it. This fixes temporary glitches that may stop extensions from loading properly. Next, make sure your extensions are actually enabled. Yeah, sometimes they get turned off accidentally after updates. If Brave is outdated, extensions may stop working correctly. I mean, updating your browser can fix compatibility issues instantly. Now check if your extensions need updates. You know, outdated extensions often break after browser updates. If multiple extensions are conflicting, some of them may stop working. So try disabling all extensions and re-enable them one by one. Brave shields can sometimes block extension scripts. Yeah, try turning shields off for a moment to see if that fixes the issue. If extensions are still not working, corrupted cache data might be the reason. So clearing browsing data can help restore normal behavior. Another option is resetting extension settings to default. I mean, incorrect configurations can sometimes break functionality. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall the latest version from the official website. This fixes deep system or file corruption issues, and that's it. One of these solutions should fix Brave browser extensions not working and get everything running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.